Kazi ni Kazi, brought to you by the Ministry of Industrialization. The Ministry of Industrialization, tunaimarisha viwanda.
Wananchi wenye bidii hawachoki kutafuta riziki zao. Usinicheke, naendeleza gurudumu la maendeleo. Kazi ni kazi, kazi ni kazi.
It's late afternoon and holiday makers are making way into their holiday hideout. This is Voi Wildlife Lodge, an expansive holiday destination in the savanna grasslands of Tsavo East.
We are actually dealing with tourists. We cater mainly for tourists. We're targeting European countries like Italy, UK, Germany, and Switzerland. Mainly, we have had quite a lot of guests from Italy. During Easter period, we have quite a lot of locals coming in. December also, almost all rooms are taken by locals, and we are quite happy about it.
The lodge, which sits on a 25-acre piece of land, is a sight to behold. Its close proximity to the Tsavo National Park probably explains the ever-rising number of tourists who frequent the lodge throughout the year. Our
busy season, I would say, is from December, January, February, March, and April. After Easter, we go to low season for 2 months. Then we start picking again from August up to November, mid-season. The high season starts from December.
An idea conceived 2 years ago, the Voi Wildlife Lodge has spectacular attractions, including this natural waterhole from where one can watch wild animals at a close range. The lodge has a capacity to hold about 300 guests and still expanding. Through the Industrial Development Bank Capital Limited, the management recently put up a new housing block in order to accommodate more visitors.
In Tsavo East, we have fewer beds, and we had to increase the capacity because of the volume of business from Europe that we have had the last 3 years. The extension we have done at the moment of 96 rooms, which includes 3 residential suites, was opened in June this year. We had funds from IDB.
Besides the spacious rooms, the Voi Wildlife Lodge also has tents with an en-suite bathrooms and are ideal for camping. Other facilities include swimming pools, jacuzzis and steam baths, as well as a gift shop, all managed by more than 140 staff who now work here.
In Voi Wildlife, Manyata and Manita's camp, we have the wildlife. Guests come here to see the wildlife. We have the tighter hills. Most of the guests prefer going to tighter hills.
Guests can also enjoy a variety of African melodies over dinner. But as the managing director confides, running this lodge has not been easy. Like with many startups, the management says it was initially hard to market the place, among other challenges.
When you are starting, marketing was a big problem because people didn't know about this place. We had to do a lot of marketing locally and abroad, and it took about, I would say, 3 months before people got to know about our properties. But now I would say that we're doing 80% occupancy during the high season. Low season, we're doing about 50-55.
The management has since overcome these obstacles and are now focusing on extending these services to other parts in the country.
What we're doing is we are extending, we are looking actually at Amboseli and Mara, maybe Naivasha, God willing. Yeah. Okay, we were looking at doing a golf course, but we're still thinking about that.
And as the investor behind this wildlife lodge seeks to spread wings to other destinations, the locals will also benefit from massive opportunities that this venture is likely to open up.
What is happening is that we have got so many of young people graduating from universities, colleges all over, and as we expand, we are going to help the country maybe with employment. Also, as we increase the the unit, many people, like the farmers, a lot of people like, curio dealers, they'll benefit from us because you see we're going to put our curio shops in the hotels. Also, like I would say the tour operators also, the tour drivers, they'll benefit because, when you have a lot of, guests coming in, we will need them.
As the management celebrates their success, it has not been lost on them where it all began.